Good evening, Southeast Texas. I'm Cladra Rhodes. The Texas Division of Emergency Management says multiple Southeast Texas counties are facing fire risks. Now, this includes Hardin, Jasper, Jefferson, Newton, Orange, and Tyler counties. The strong cold front is bringing windy conditions to our area, which can create the perfect recipe for wildfires. Now, with this in mind, 12 News reporter Cameron Burchett spoke to fire chiefs in our area who are on high alert for fires because of the strong wind. Cam, what should people know?
Cladra, these cold and dry conditions mixed with strong winds create the perfect storm for wildfires.
A wind-driven fire by far will spread faster than any other condition that exists.
In Jasper County, Chief James Gunter with the Beech Grove Volunteer Fire Department says lately they've been experiencing wind gusts as high as 39 miles an hour. He says a call came in Monday morning after winds blew over several trees on a county road.
The tree, it was closed, road was closed for about an hour, but it was a big hardwood tree, probably a 50, 60-year-old tree that blew over.
Winds that can knock over a tree along with dry and cold conditions can fuel wildfires.
And then you give them any source of ignition, then you put a 20, 30 mile an hour wind behind it, it's going to take off. It's going to cover a lot of ground quick. We went to one just a few days ago that ended up being 14 acres because it was wind driven.
Port Neches Fire Chief Eloy Vega agrees. He says these factors should be considered by anyone who wants to ring in the new year with fireworks.
Big fire starts small, and all it takes is one errant spark to come in contact with, say, a pile of leaves to create the heat enough to where the wind will come in and fan it, and before you know it, in the matter of seconds, what started out as a small spark or ember can turn into an uncontrolled fire.
Both want families to end 2025 by being safe.
If you're not exercising common sense, then not only could you start a fire, you may blow a hand off.
Chief Gunter also says to never leave a fire unattended and to always keep a way to extinguish it nearby. In studio, Cameron Burchett, 12 News.
Thank you, Cameron.